Hey, what's up guys? My name is Zaya, co-founder of 48 Detailing and Torque Detail Product Expert. In today's video, we're gonna be working on my 2006 BMW Z4. Now this vehicle is over 15 years old and looks better than when the original owner picked it up from the dealership. Wanna figure out how? Make sure to stay tuned for the rest of this video and enjoy. Now, I'm sure that you've taken your car to an automatic car wash before, and there's no shame to admitting it. The original owner did the same thing to this BMW, causing the paint to look swirled and dull over time. Let's go over exactly why automatic car washes do that to your vehicle. Now, sadly, most automatic car washes use super cheap products, and these things most commonly referred to as wash mitters. Now, wash mitters are these super long pieces of media that go ahead and smack around your car trying to agitate and loosen dirt and grime from your vehicle's paint.
That's all fine and dandy, but they forget to mention that wash mitters are usually made of low quality fibers that rarely get cleaned, causing them to become rough and dirty over a short period of time. Combine that with harsh chemicals, poor facility maintenance, and then the cherry on top, all the dirt and grime from hundreds of vehicles ahead of you, you're basically paying to get swirl marks and scratches installed on your expensive painted finishes. And to restore the paint from there can take hours, 30 man-hours to be exact, to get my BMW looking new again, or in your case, thousands of dollars for advanced paint correction from a professional detailer.
Now, the solution to this problem is the 2-bucket hand wash method. Now, the 2-bucket hand wash is a combination of products, tools, and methods to go ahead and minimize the chances of swirl marks on your vehicle's painted surfaces. Let me take you step by step on what you need and how it works. Now, all you're gonna need besides a water source is 2 clean wash buckets, some quality automotive car soap, a microfiber wash mitt, and then also a couple of microfiber drying towels. Now, if you don't have the items that I just talked about, or maybe you're missing a few, I recommend to go ahead and check out Torque Detail's website, where they provide a complete pack of pretty much everything you need to go ahead and complete a proper 2-bucket wash method. Besides that, also make sure to use code YouTube for 15% off of your first purchase. Links in the description below.
And just a heads up, because I'm at the shop, I'm going to use all the tools at my disposal, like a pressure washer and a foam cannon. These items aren't necessary, but they do help out a lot. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, let's start with the buckets. Fill each one of your buckets with water. We're using DI water to avoid any chance of water spotting, but if you don't have that, we completely understand. Normal water is fine, just remember to work in the shade or a cooler environment if possible. After you fill up your buckets, pour 2 to 3 ounces or 4 capfuls of car soap in one bucket and leave the other one soap free. Since my BMW is protected with a professional grade ceramic coating, I'll be using Torque Detail ceramic soap. If your vehicle isn't coated, Torque Detail's Decon soap will be a perfect option for your vehicle. The bucket with your soap is going to be your dedicated wash bucket where you get fresh, clean car soap. The second bucket is going to be your rinse bucket where you rinse and clean out your wash mitt after picking up all the dirt and grime from your vehicle with your wash mitt. Before we start touching the car with our clean wash mitt, let's do our best to remove as much dirt and grime as possible with our garden hose or pressure washer. We do this in order to minimize the chance of rubbing around larger pieces of dirt and making the 2-bucket wash process easier. We like to call this step the initial rinse. Now, as you complete the initial rinse, you'll notice that you'll be pushing off a lot of that surface grime and dirt from your vehicle's paint. This is even more true with a ceramic coated vehicle, since ceramic coatings have awesome self-cleaning abilities. Now, if you're interested in getting results similar to these, make sure to check out the links below in the description for some of our recommended easy-to-use DIY products. After our initial rinse, we like using a foam cannon to help break down even more dirt and grime and provide us maximum slickness while washing. We're using Torque Detail ceramic infused soap in this example as well. This also allows us to throw more ceramic particles on our vehicle surface, making sure to rejuvenate our ceramic coating over time. This keeps your coating looking new and performing great year-round. Now, time to roll up those sleeves and get physical. Please do remember, guys, if you do not have a foam cannon or pressure washer, you can just go ahead and skip onto this step, which is dunking your wash mitt into your soap solution and starting the 2-bucket wash process. Go ahead and wash your vehicle section by section, starting from the top and working your way down. We don't want to start from the bottom because it's the closest to the ground and most likely the dirtiest. After each section, make sure to clean your wash mitt in your rinse bucket, and then go ahead and grab more soap solution from your wash bucket, giving you a fresh, clean, soap-full wash mitt every single time. Continue this process around the whole vehicle until you've completed the whole car. Now, if you're working on a bigger car, especially if you're working outside in the sun, you want to make sure that you're washing your car section by section, making sure to rinse off any excess soap solution as you go. This will prevent any kind of streaking and water spotting, making the next step, which is the drying process, a whole lot easier. And before we jump into the drying process, again, you want to make sure to go ahead and rinse off any excess soap solution on the vehicle. We find that a lot of soap gets stuck into your door jambs, grill pieces, and areas like that. So go ahead and perform what we like to call a final rinse, which is just making sure that you push off any of that excess soap solution off your vehicle so we can go ahead and properly dry it. You'll notice after you're done using Torque Detail ceramic soap, that you have a super nice clean finish on your vehicle's paint, and then also great water beating ability for your ceramic coating. After your final rinse, grab a quality microfiber drying towel and go around the vehicle, making sure to gently dry it off. The drying process is actually the most prone to scratching your paint if done incorrectly, so I recommend using a drying aid like Torque's waterless detailer, like I am in this video clip, to lubricate the paint and help your towel glide over the paint and pick up any spots you missed throughout your wash. After spraying the waterless detailer on the surface, I also like to fold my towel, making sure to evenly distribute the pressure I'm applying to the vehicle surface. This goes ahead and prevents any type of scratching or towel marring from your drying towel. And last but not least, using some form of pressurized air is also a great addition for your drying process. Even a leaf blower can help you push out pools of water from door jambs and mirrors, helping you eliminate those pesky water spots and streaks after you're done washing. Those are the same exact steps that I go ahead and use throughout my wash process to make sure that my 15-plus-year-old BMW Z4 looks the way it does and stays looking that way for a very, very long time.
Alright guys, now you know how to properly hand wash your vehicle with a 2-bucket wash method, leaving it swirl free for years to come. Now let's say your vehicle is a bit older and even after your hand wash, the paint still feels a bit rough. I recommend you check out our How to Clay Bar Paint tutorial, link in the description below. This tutorial will take you step by step on how to properly decon your vehicle, getting it ready for paint correction or protection. Now guys, thank you again for watching. I really appreciate it. If you learned anything new and enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like, the subscribe button, and notification button so you know where all our future videos are posted. And if you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you again. I hope you guys all have a great rest of the day.